Looking for a crispy, flaky treat? Try this square-shaped layered desi ghee paratha, perfect for any meal. Start with 2 cups of wheat flour in a bowl. Add a pinch of salt and knead it into a soft, smooth dough using water. Let it rest for 20 minutes. Now take a portion of the dough and roll it into a thin rectangle. Spread a generous layer of desi ghee on top, then sprinkle some dry flour evenly. Next, fold the dough from one side like a letter, fold 1/3 in, then the other third on top, creating a long strip. Now fold it again from top to bottom to make a square. Lightly roll it out to maintain the square shape and lock in those flaky layers. Place it on a hot tawa and cook on medium heat. Brush with desi ghee and flip until both sides are golden, crispy, and beautifully layered. Serve hot with achar, raita, or a cup of chai. This square paratha is rich, indulgent, and absolutely irresistible.